seen, at least as of now. Let's talk about the mutual fund flows for the year gone by and also what is the view coming in for future. So the flows in the equity mutual funds, that remains robust in the month of December 2023. It rose by 9.5% over the previous month that we saw, and the mutual fund industry has also ended 2023 on a strong note, crossing 50 lakh crore rupees in the total assets under management. In fact, Pavithra is right here standing by the wall with a fine print into the mutual fund data for December 2023. Pavithra.
Well, thanks a lot for that. Yes, the inflows into the mutual fund industry have been pretty good for the month of December. Like you can see, it's coming in almost 17,000 crores. What I do want to point out is that a large chunk of this, around 6,000 crores, was mobilized via NFOs. I'm talking about just the equity part here. We had 4 big sectoral NFOs come out, which have really sort of helped this move that you've seen on the equity side. So 6,321 crores via NFOs. If you look at the NFO number for November, it was under 2,000 crores. So it shows you the kind of jump that there's been. Let's now talk about the split in terms of the market cap. Large cap funds continue to see an outflow. Last time there was a bit of an inflow coming in. Right now there's around 300 crores which moved out of this pocket. So, for all of the talk of the fact that large caps are likely to be better, investors are still not putting in that much money into this space. Mid-cap inflows also almost halved, right? So, it came in at around 1,300 crores versus, like you can see, almost 2,700 crores last month. But where the money continues to pour in is the small cap funds. There is just no stopping that space. So, you had over 3,800 crores which moved into the small cap funds this month as well. A lot of focus on that space. So that is how the equity part looked. But let me also move on to debt and show you what that looked like. There was a big outflow this time around for the debt fund. 0.75 lakh crores moved out. And what is really interesting to me is the hybrid funds, because we've been seeing a pickup over there. Last month also did very well, and this month as well, you have over 15,000 crores which moved in to the hybrid funds. Big chunk of this came in via arbitrage funds, over 10,000 crores via arbitrage, and the next pocket which contributed a big chunk of this was the balanced advantage categories. I just want to pull up that chart so you can see, just look at that. It's over 4,000 crores for December, and this is what it's been in the 3 months prior. So huge jump coming into arbitrage funds as well, into balanced advantage funds as well. Finally, to just end with the SIP contribution, once again at a record high, we've all been talking about this, 17,600 crores thereabouts for the SIP contribution, and the MF industry's total assets under management have also crossed 50 lakh crores for all of 2023. This is the figure for December. So Nisha, all in all, it's a good showing.
That's right. It looks like a good year when we talk about the mutual fund industry, and the markets have also rewarded the investors bountifully in the last year gone by. In fact, let's